Hello everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Jackie and I will be your teacher for our listening and speaking class. Today we are going to talk about seasons and weather. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter because I like to ski in the winter. Skiing is so much fun. All right, are you ready for today's lesson? Let's get started. All right, so before we get started, we're going to take a look at some key words. So our first key word is hot. 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 So in the summer, it can be very hot. Our next word is warm. 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 So warm feels so nice. Do you know what season is warm? That's right, spring is warm. Our next word is cool. 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 What season could this be in the cool weather? That's right, fall is starting to get kind of cool. Our next word is cold. 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 So in the winter time, it gets very cold. Make sure to take your coat with you. Our next word is sunny. 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 So when you go outside and you can see the sun, that is sunny weather. Our next word is cloudy. 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 So when there are a lot of clouds in the sky and you can't see the sun, that is cloudy weather. Our next word is windy. 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 So when there's a bunch of wind outside, that is windy weather. Our next word is rainy. 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 So rainy is very wet weather when it starts to rain. Make sure to take your umbrella. Our next word is snowy. 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 I love snowy weather. Snowy weather is when it snows. You can make snowmen in snowy weather. Our last word is foggy. 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 So when there's a lot of fog and you can't see, that is foggy weather. All right, those were our key words. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our key sentences. So here we have a conversation between a boy and a girl. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the girl has to say. So first, she says, "What's your favorite season?" Ooh. So she's asking about favorite seasons. So the season you like most of all. I wonder what the boy's favorite season is. He says, "I like fall." So what's his favorite season? That's right, he likes fall. The girl says, "What's the weather like in fall?" Oh, so she's asking what the weather is like. Is it rainy? Is it snowy? Let's find out. He says, "It's cool and windy in fall." Did you get that right? The girl says, "What kinds of clothes do you wear in fall?" What kinds of clothes do you wear in fall? It could be hats, it could be scarves. Let's see. The boy says, "I usually wear sweaters." So he usually wears sweaters. Usually means most of the time. So most of the time, he wears sweaters. All right, let's take a look at our key sentences one more time. What's your favorite season? What's the weather like in fall? And lastly, what kinds of clothes do you wear in fall? Those were our key sentences. Now, let's practice listening. Before we listen to the dialogue, here are some questions for you. Question 1, what's the weather like today? Question 2, what will Jack take? Try to find the answers to these questions when listening to the conversation. Okay, let's get started.
Mom, what's the weather like?
It's raining. Take your umbrella with you.
Oh no, it's raining again? Is it cold too?
Yes, and it's very windy. Put on your coat, Jack.
All right, so let's take a look at our first listen up. So here we have a conversation between a boy named Jack and his mom. So let's see what Jack has to say first. So first he says, Mom, what's the weather like? So Jack wants to know what the weather is like right now. It could be sunny, it could be rainy. Let's find out. So the mom says, it's raining. Take your umbrella with you. So it's raining, so the mom wants Jack to take his umbrella with him. Let's go ahead and practice the word umbrella. Umbrella. Good. So Jack says, oh no, it's raining again? Is it cold too? It's raining again. That means it's raining for a second time. It could have rained earlier yesterday or earlier in the morning. It's raining again. The mom says, yes, and it's very windy. Put on your coat, Jack. So the mom wants Jack to put on his coat. This is a great thing to do when the weather is windy. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our questions for this listening. So the first question, what's the weather like today? That's right, it's rainy and windy. Question number 2, Jack will take, that's right, Jack will take an umbrella. Did you get any of those? Great job.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
Take your umbrella with you. Take your umbrella with you. Put on your coat, Jack. Put on your coat, Jack.
This time, we will listen to a short recording. First, here are the questions. Question 1, what's the weather like in London now? Question 2, what will the weather be like this evening? If you're ready, let's get started.
Good morning. It's very foggy in London right now, but it'll be very sunny in the afternoon. Please take your sunglasses with you. And don't forget your umbrellas too. As you know, London's weather changes a lot. It will be raining in the evening.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look at listen up number 2. So first it starts, good morning. It's very foggy in London right now. So what's the weather like in London right now? That's right, it is foggy right now. That means there's a lot of fog outside. They probably can't see anything. So then it goes, but it'll be very sunny in the afternoon. So later in the afternoon, what will the weather be then? That's right, it will be sunny. So then it goes, please take your sunglasses with you. So sunglasses, this is a great thing to take with you when it's sunny outside. Let's go ahead and practice the word sunglasses. Sunglasses. Good. So then it goes, and don't forget your umbrellas too. Don't forget. This is a great friendly reminder, like don't forget your pencil or don't forget your bag. As you know, London's weather changes a lot. So London's weather changes. This means that it doesn't stay the same. It changes all the time. It will be raining in the evening. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our questions for the listen up. So question number 1, what's the weather like in London now? That's right, it is very foggy. Question number 2, what will the weather be like this evening? It will be rainy in the evening. Did you get any of those? Great job.
It's very foggy in London right now. It's very foggy in London right now. Don't forget your umbrellas, too. Don't forget your umbrellas, too. London's weather changes a lot. London's weather changes a lot.
What's the weather like today? Is it sunny too? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny too? Oh, it's hot. Yes, it is. Put on your sunglasses. It's hot. Yes, it is. Put on your sunglasses. What's the weather like today? Is it cold too? What's the weather like today? Is it cold too? It's snowing. Yes, it is. Put on your scarf and mittens. It's snowing. Yes, it is. Put on your scarf and mittens. What's the weather like today? Is it windy too? What's the weather like today? Is it windy too? It's raining. Yes, it is. Put on your raincoat. It's raining. Yes, it is. Put on your raincoat. Today, we talked about seasons and weather. Do you remember what we've learned today? Let's go ahead and take a look back at our key sentences. So first, what's your favorite season? What's the weather like in fall? And lastly, what kinds of clothes do you wear in fall? Were you able to answer these questions? Very good. Okay, great job today, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.